Hey everybody, how are you? Happy July 3rd, day before the 4th, of course. And you're probably saying, Greg, where have you been? I know, I haven't posted in a week. I was gone for several days in Michigan, my hometown, Detroit, around the area. Had a great time, but I've been kind of MIA a little bit, a little self-care, Pride events, all sorts of stuff. But Pride Month is past. And people are asking me, how was it? Well, I have to tell you, my numbers were down considerably thanks to the initiatives of our federal government doing a lot of their business that I don't like. But in all honesty, I have to tell you, I've been doing this work for 31 years, speaking globally on LGBTQ+ civil rights. I didn't feel a whole lot of love or support this past Pride Month. I just didn't, locally and nationally, just didn't feel a whole lot of love. And so I'm doing kind of a post-Pride life, looking at things, how I'm going to adjust at my numbers being down, and just my program that I firmly believe is a wonderful program, and trying to get more loving out there as we move forward. So I don't know what the months are going to do ahead for me, but I will keep you posted. I want to continue to do the work that I feel is my legacy, and I will. It's just things are evolving and changing as we speak. Speaking of which, there's something known as the 4th of July funk right now. And I know a lot of you are feeling it as we speak right now. The House has not voted on this big, beautiful bill, whatever the hell it is. But I'm praying that it doesn't pass. And it's going to affect so many of us, including myself, with our health care, benefits, long-term kind of things, excuse me, as we move forward. So, and I know we're just in a funk, you know, we want to be true Americans, and we all are, but it's just really hard to be patriotic right now. And all I ask is a lot of you is be with your family, friends. There's things that are beyond our control. So take what's in control of your life right now. Have some joy. Have some good things in your life. Do not feel guilty about doing the good things for your life and others. And let's all, you know, hunker down and be there for one another. This is a time when we all need to be inclusive of our communities, check in with one another, and see how we're doing. So, you know, it's summer. Get out. Get out and try to get some joy in your life, because I know a lot of people are not feeling it right now. So prayers for all of you, and please just do something good for yourself. It matters, and others. Last thing on my list that I want to talk about is if you're in the Chicago area, next Tuesday, July 8th, I want to make sure it's the right, yep, July 8th at 7:30, I'm going to be part of a storytelling event called Serving the Sentence at the Jarvis Square Tavern here in Chicago at 7:30. If you can make it, I would love it. I'm the first one to go up. There's 4 storytellers. I have 8 minutes for a story. And the lead-off sentence is, "Good morning, sunshine." So I'm telling a very heartfelt story, and I hope you can be there. Remember, it's cash only at the Jarvis Square Tavern, and if you're going there to have a bite to eat early, let me know. I'll join you. But this is start off at 7:30. I would love the solidarity and support. And right now, just I'm having a 3rd of July party at a friend's house tonight, so I got to get going and make some stuff for that. And really, it's going to be a low-key weekend here for me so far. Who knows what kind of trouble I'll be in? Maybe. And then next 2 weekends after that, I will be at the Dunes Resorts. Same with friends, but participating at the Dunes. The Ruby Girls are there next weekend. And of course, my favorite, the Christmas in July, is the weekend after. So busy couple weekends. I was just looking at my schedule for the summer. The weekends are pretty busy. So it's a good time for me to revamp and look at things in life and career and all sorts of stuff. So any questions, any comments, post those down below. I would appreciate it. Remember, as always, give me some loving. Subscribe, like, and share. Ring that bell. Have a great 4th of July weekend. Get out of that funk. You matter. We all matter. A lot of love from me. I will see you next week. Take care. Bye.